County in southeastern Wisconsin, Eastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin,
Oh,
Jefferson
no.
County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from McFarland to near South Beloit, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Watertown, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Delavan, Jefferson, Lake Geneva, Lake Mills, Milton, East Troy, Waterloo, Williams Bay, Walworth, Johnson Creek, Clinton, Palmyra, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon and Darien. People attending the Whitewater move-in should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.